Hi, it's Clark Reid popping in with more tech headlines for you. If you like the reports, help us out by giving the like button a little love pat, and you can also subscribe. You'll know when each new report is posted that way. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau is moving to put Google under formal supervision, something that could hit the company with the same kind of inspections the government does on major banks. Only I guess they'd call it the Google examiners instead of the bank examiners. TechCrunch.com reports the CFPB has been in talks with Google for months about the supervision order, which hasn't yet been made final. And now that a second Trump term is coming up, it may be the administration will put the brakes on the CFPB or even stop it somehow with proceeding against Google, which Google would like immensely. AI companies are hitting a wall of sorts with their rush to build out newer AI models. According to MacRumors.com, OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic are all facing what they're calling diminishing returns for their expensive efforts to build out new models. Over at Apple, they're using what they're calling a phased rollout of Apple Intelligence. OpenAI's Orion, their latest and greatest, is falling short of their performance expectations. Google is also feeling headwinds with their next iteration of Gemini, and Anthropic has been delaying its release of Claude 3.5 Opus. According to Bloomberg, the problem is attributed to the challenges of increasing difficulty in finding new untapped sources of high-quality human-made training data. In other words, your work that they're stealing to train this thing, and also the enormous costs associated with developing and operating these new models concurrently with the existing ones. Meta is planning to start monetizing Threads with a plan to begin running ads as soon as January 2025. And Gadget.com says Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg had previously claimed making money off the app would be a multi-year effort. Well, now Meta is planning a slow effort with just a small number of ads to start appearing in January. Threads now has 275 million monthly users, and it's getting over 1 million new signups a day, according to Zuck. The much smaller Blue Sky app, which is now number one at Apple's App Store, got 1 million new users in just the last week. They've grown from 9 to 15 million users in a very short time. Blue Sky has said it may experiment with subscription-based features instead of ads. Read between the lines on that. A premium service for subscription, and then they'll do ads in addition. Tesla's Cybertruck has now put out its 6th recall this year, and ArsTechnica.com notes that this one only affects about 2,431 vehicles, but this recall can't be fixed by pushing out a software update. These trucks have a faulty drive unit inverter, and at least 5 trucks have had a failure of that part. Tesla says the problem was a bad batch of inverters built between November 6th of 2023 and July 30th of 2024. Owners are going to have to take the cars in to have a technician work on those recalled trucks. I'm Clark Reid, and you're Technified for now.